Alright guys, this is like the third time I'm making this video. First I have people coming through here, talking loud and just a lot of noise in the background. And I want this to be a quiet video. I want you guys to be able to pay attention a little bit here. So, a lot of people, this is going to be real quick. I'm going to try to keep it under 5 minutes. So a lot of people ask me, what do I do for a living? So, let me explain that to you guys right now. So typically I day trade. I buy and sell stocks for about 1 hour per day. So I only trade the opening bell, which is typically the first hour to 2 hours. Typically I'm done in about 30 minutes because most of the action happens right when the bell ring at 9:30. So by 10 o'clock I'm typically done. But every now and then you get slow days and you want to hang around. So I don't go past 11:30 because 11:30 is just dead. But the first hour I'm typically there trading, and that's what I do for the first hour. So I dedicate from 9:30 to 11:30 every single day to day trading, and then after that, I actually invest in real estate. So, I buy them. I have partners where I could buy them, flip them, wholesale them, um, anything real estate. If you have anything for sale, I'm able to buy it. Obviously, I'm an investor. I'd have to buy it at the right price, in order for me to make a profit. So as long as I can make profits in the real estate, I'm buying. And then with the stocks, as long as I can make profits in the stocks, I'm buying. I have one strategy that I actually use, day trading. And so I do the same. It's basically the same strategy every single day. It pays pretty well, and that's what I do for the first hour. Um, Also, I teach day trading because I get some students who, I have some students who signed up. They're doing pretty well right now. A lot of people ask me, do I teach? Yes, I do, and I also teach with the real estate as well. I teach people how to start doing deals. I'll help you close your deals. I'm a closer, so if you need help closing your deals, I'm your guy. And I do it virtually, meaning I do deals in any state. It doesn't matter where the property is. I can do deals remotely from where I'm sitting at home. I'm able to do deals out of state. It doesn't matter where it is. But obviously, I'll have to evaluate each deal. And then if it makes sense, we're going to make it happen. So that's typically what I do. And I teach people how to do the same thing. And, that's what I do. So, with the day trading, a lot of people have been asking me. So that's why I decided to make this quick video. This young lady right here, Kimberly, she actually contacted me a while back about my classes, how I train. And so I was going to put something together, but it just didn't it just didn't it didn't fit what I wanted to do, so I didn't do it. So as you can see here, she was saying I'm still interested in the class, and I kind of was jokingly saying, hey, I charge too much for my classes. So she was kind of discouraged. She says, oh, okay. But Alex here is one of the students that I've had, and right here you can see what Alex says. I took the class or one-on-one instruction from Brutus. It was well worth it. In fact, it paid for itself in one trade today. So this was the date, 7/31/19, 2019. So as you can see, this was yesterday. It was yesterday's post. So she vouches. He went and vouched for me. I didn't ask him to say anything, but he saw her asking about the class. He jumped in. He vouched for me, and that's the benefits of when you're teaching good material. You start having your students back you up. So if someone tries to say, "Oh, this guy's trying to take people's money," no, that's not the case. Boom, this guy stepped in, and I'm glad he did that. As you can see here, I'm like, man, you're killing it. So this young lady, Kimberly, replied, whose class did you take? Do you have the information? And he says, Kimberly, I contacted Brutus and asked him to teach me. We phone consulted a bit, and I felt comfortable with what he was going to share and how he was sharing it. So basically, he called me. He wanted to learn day trading. I basically had a consultation with him over the phone. I explained to him how I'm going to train him. I explained that. So after all of this, he felt comfortable, is what he's saying there. And it says this training went on for a week every morning on the phone. So we do phone consultation, and then we also do online consultation, to where we do screen sharing. So now you can see exactly just how you guys are watching this video right now. You can see my screen. So basically I have him on screen sharing to where he can see my screen, and then we're going over my strategy. And let's continue here. Watching the trading screen, he would share his screen at points. I opened my own trading account and funded it. This takes a few days to set up. So the trading begins after setup. Brutus provided files that displays the same trading screen. So obviously, I share my screen with him. That way he's able to see what I'm seeing. And then you see this platform here. I'm able to take the file, email it to him. And so once he downloads this file into his platform, it looks exactly like this. So he sees exactly what I'm seeing. And then I also share my screen. So now he has the platform that I have. Also down here it says the most important thing is to do exactly what he tells you. Honestly, I went rogue and did a few trades, not following his advice, and lost on some, a few $100. But this is my own stupidity. So then I decided to take it slow, one trade at a time, until I get the hang of it. What he's saying here is, in the beginning, this guy, Alex, he was excited and he started taking trades, not following my rules. He made some money, but then he lost some. Prime example, when I teach you, you stick to the rules. You don't veer off, because if you veer off the rules, because now you're making money and then you start getting a big head, what's going to happen is you're going to end up losing money because you're not following the rules. And I caught him doing that because a couple times he told me he made some money. So I'm like, wait a minute, we're looking at the same stocks here. How did you make money? He told me he jumped in here, he got out. So he wasn't following the rules. So yes, he made money by not following the rules, but he started getting into a bad habit of breaking rules, which ultimately led to him losing money because he started practicing bad habits. So now, once I caught him doing that, and then I started telling him, listen, if you continue doing this, you're gonna lose money, which is exactly what happened. He went rogue, and he ended up losing some money. So now it says, so then he decided to take it slow, one trade at a time. So he went back to the rules, and now, after he commented that, Kimberly said, thank you for the information. And then he also posted, this is today's profit, which was $1,003 in 1 hour. So as you guys can see, this is basically what he made. He made $1,003.40. Mind you, this is with a $5,000, $5,800 account. So he made $1,003.40. So, I do teach how to make money, but obviously you got to follow the rules. And once you start following the rules, these are the type of results you get back. These are the type of results that you can get. And this is real. So it's not hard to make $1,000 a day. It's just you have to be disciplined. And it doesn't take a lot of money to do this. So it doesn't take a lot of money. So I teach And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, or if you want to know about my training, either with the real estate or stocks, just give me a call. Or actually, I'm not gonna put my phone number. I'm gonna put my email below. Just send me a text or send me not my phone number. Just email me, or better yet, you can go to Facebook and just send me a message there, and then I'll be able to help you guys out. But follow the rules. Anyways, I'm not gonna make this video long. I kind of just wanted to, because a lot of people ask me, what do I do, because they see a lot of stock stuff on my Facebook, and then they see some real estate stuff, and so I know a couple people were confused. So I just wanted to let you guys know, I invest in stocks and I invest in real estate. So those two things, I'm always ready to buy if it's a good deal. I'm always ready to make money on either or. All right, keep it short. That is it for now. Now that you guys know what I do, hit me up, ask me questions. Maybe I'm able to help you out. And if you're ready to sign up for my course or my class, or it's not really a course, it's just like a one-on-one mentoring. So if you have a lot of money, I'll put together a strategy for you. If you have a little bit of money, I'll put together a strategy for you. If you're broke, obviously you can't day trade if you're broke, but you can do real estate deals if you are broke by bringing me those deals, and then I'm able to close them. I'll put the money up, I'll close them, and then I'll give you a percentage of whatever I do. So that's basically how I do things. I hope that clears everything up for you guys. So that's what I do. Anyways, talk to you guys soon. Comment below, like, subscribe.